This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to fix this error. First of all, go to the server where you want to stream. And now join a voice channel and click on share your screen, and here you have to select application, and now select the application that you want to stream and click on go live, and after that check the issue. The second solution is go to user settings, scroll down to this left hand menu and click on voice and video, scroll down, and here you will get this option, use an experimental method to capture audio from application. You have to enable this option. If it's already enabled, disable this and again enable this, and then check the issue. If you're still having the same issue, then again click on user settings, scroll down to this left hand menu and click on registered games and click on add it, and click on this drop down and select the app that you want to stream with sounds and click on add game. And here you will get the app you just added. Now click on share your screen and select application and select the app, and then click on go live, and then you will be able to stream the app with sounds. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.